Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make perfect brown sugar cookies. Let's start. For this, we'll need brown sugar, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, melted unsalted butter, baking soda, vanilla extracts, and salt. Then 1 large egg with an extra yolk, baking powder. Let's start. For this, we're going to use a large mixing bowl, and now we're going to add the melted butter in. Now we're going to add the brown sugar, the eggs, finally the vanilla extracts. So this is all for the wet ingredients, and now it's time to mix it all up. So for the all ingredients, don't forget to go in the description box below, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and new to the channel, please subscribe. So now let's start doing with the dry ingredients. For this, we'll need all-purpose flour added in, baking powder, baking soda, cornstarch, and then we'll need a pinch of salt. Then we're gonna mix it all up. And then finally, we're gonna combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients and then make it into a dough. So mix it all up. After mixing it, we're gonna add the wet ingredients, the mixture that we made, add it into the flour. It looks so delicious. It has a caramelly color. It's like caramelized. So now just mix it all up. After mixing this, you're gonna use your hands to knead it and make it into a dough. As you all can see, it's in a perfect dough. And now we're going to rest it for 30 minutes in a fridge. So put this dough in the fridge for 30 minutes. Grease the tray with butter. And we're going to use ½ cup of sugar for coating. So after 30 minutes, as you all can see, the dough looks perfect. So let's start making the cookies. So I'm just going to show you how the dough is. As you can see, it's amazingly perfect. Now we're gonna make into small balls and place it on the baking tray. After making them in the balls, we're going to coat them with the sugar. You can use brown sugar or white plain sugar. I'm here using plain white sugar. So we're gonna coat each of them and place it on the baking tray. Then we're gonna bake it for about 11 to 13 minutes on 350 degrees in an oven. So here, as you all can see, the cookies are ready. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below, and we'll see you guys later in the next video. Till then everyone, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.